Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to change card icon on Shopify. So then to begin with, check your internet connection, open up a web browser and then log in into your Shopify account. For that, you need to type in www.admin.shopify.com/store. Make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Make sure that you're already logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the dashboard page. Over here in the left hand side bar, you can see multiple tools. So from the list, you need to go ahead and tap on the online store icon. After that, it's going to take you to the other interface of online store. You need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find an option as customize. Right next to it, there is a three-dot icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu appears. From there, you need to tap on edit code. As soon as you click on edit code, it's going to take you to the edit code for Dawn page. Here you'll be able to see all sorts of code and all that. So basically what you'll have to do is move towards the left hand side and click on theme.liquid. After that, you'll be able to mod link. So here you need to scroll down right to the bottom. And after that, you need to locate the/body. If you're unable to find the code, you need to tap on Ctrl+F at the same time and then type in body. And you'll be able to locate the body code right over here. Now you need to open up a new tab. After that, you need to paste in the link, that is pastebin.com/E3WDGD5. So I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below. Without accessing the following link, you'll not be able to make changes with your information. So here you can see there's the code underneath. You'll need to scroll down and you need to select it first of all and then copy it. Head back to the same page of your Shopify. Here you need to paste in the code right above the body option or the body code. After done pasting in the information, click on the save button located in the upper right hand side. After that, it's going to make changes with your information. So then you'll need to log out of your Shopify account and once again log in into your account. You might be able to solve your issue all at once. So that is how you can make changes with your Shopify icon. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.